to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing. Today I am back with my vanity tour and makeup collection. I'm so excited. I recently did like a little update on my vanity. I got a new mirror, which I can't wait to show you guys. And I also decluttered and organized all my makeup drawers. So before we get started, I wanted to say welcome. If you're new around here, I'm Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. And I also love to blog, so make sure to head down over to my blog after the video to check it out. It's FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. Also click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's an overview of my vanity and I am so happy with it now. I got this new mirror from Ricky Loves Ricky. I ordered it and I waited like a month, you guys, but it's finally here. Isn't it like so beautiful? It has like LED lights. It's like so thin. And it's also like super lightweight and it comes with this like acrylic base. It is also dimmable. It has like 5 different settings and it comes with a remote control, which you can control to either dim it up or down. It's also Bluetooth, which is great. And it also comes with like some attachments that you can put on the mirror so that you can take like amazing selfies, you guys. Totally love it. It's called the Ricky Tall in white. It also comes in black, but definitely recommend it. It has the best LED lighting ever. So the vanity that I have is the IKEA mom table and it has this like marble look to it, but that is because I put like a paper under it. So I'll leave you guys the name to the paper if you guys want to, you know, put it on your table. But it looks so pretty, right? It looks like real marble. So over here on the side I have these flowers. Aren't they so pretty? And they look very real. I really like them. I also have this cosmetic bag. It's like Louis Vuitton inspired. It doesn't have the, you know, LV logo on it. It's just inspired. And I think it's like so beautiful. Also in the back here I have my high mirror. This mirror is like a smart mirror and you can literally like do your makeup and watch movies at the same time. You can also like see the temperature. It analyzes your skin. It's like the most amazing little mirror ever. I highly recommend it. And here I just have like these like lipsticks that I put for display, and I have my favorite lipsticks of all time. These are like the Huda Beauty. I'm like obsessed with them. So that's what I have on top of my vanity table, and then of course my coffee. So on this side here I have this acrylic organizer from, is it eDiva? Yes, from eDiva. And it has these like little drawers. You guys, I've had this organizer for like 5 years and it's held up pretty well. This is where I have like all my like lip stuff and eye stuff. So here I have some like random lipsticks. I have all these from Pixie, which I highly recommend. They are beautiful. And then on this side, I just have some like random glosses. I have like different brands. Let me move this to the side. Over here, I have like all my eyebrow stuff and eyelashes. So I have my Anastasia, I have some brow stuff, some fake lashes. I also have this here that they sent me from Octoly and Kat Von D. And it has this like liquid eyeliner. It's called the Tattoo Liner, and this like awesome mascara, which I thought was wonderful. They sent it out complimentary so that I could try it out, and I tried it out the other day. Really love the mascara. It's like really fluffy. So this bottom drawer right here is where I keep all my mascaras. I have like different brands. Some of my favorite ones is the Revlon, which is like fantastic. I also have like the Better Than Sex. I have a bunch of Pixie ones, which are great. And then on this side here, I just keep my lip pencils. So on this drawer here, I have more beauty items. It's mostly like skincare. I have my hydrating mists. This one here is like my favorite. It's from Pixie. It's called the Hydrating Milky Mist. It's almost empty. I also have the Dewy set. some more creams, and over here on this side I have this new device. It's called the Referral. It's like the most amazing peeler ever. It's a water peeler and it has like a gold plate in it, but it's like fantastic. I'm actually doing a video review on it, so stay posted. I also have the Clarisonic Michael Todd, some eyeglasses, and this here too, you guys, it's like fantastic for cleansing your skin. I am like in love with it. It's called the Foreo Luna 2 and it comes in like soft pink and other colors. Here I have some like things to wash my brushes. I also have this like ring light from Pixie. It's like so adorable, and some sponges. So moving on to this side, on the top of my IKEA drawer, I have this lipstick tower, which I've had for a couple years and really love it, you guys. It's so practical because you can see like all your lipsticks. It also has like little rhinestone studs all around. They also have it with like without the rhinestone studs if you don't like it. I have this adorable cup. It says Flawless for like my beauty brushes, and then I just have this like for decor. So on this top drawer right here is where I keep all my eyeshadow palettes, or at least, you know, the bigger ones. I have different brands. I have Too Faced. I actually have a lot of Too Faced because I love it. I have the Peach palette, the Urban Decay, Kat Von D. This one here is like the best one ever. It's the Lolita. I have some more Anastasia, Soft Glam, the Mother Renaissance, more Too Faced. This one here is Urban Decay, the Heat Naked palette, which I love. The gold one, or the honey one, I think. More Too Faced, and 2 of the Kat Von D's. And then over here on this side, I just have some like liquid eyeshadows from Pixie Beauty. These are like stunning, you guys. Like on the lower lid, it looks so beautiful. I also have some like Smashbox palettes over here. This drawer right here, I just have like other random palettes that don't fit on the top. I have a lot of Too Faced. I am like obsessed with Too Faced. I have the peanut butter, just peachy, and then I have this one that I got for the holidays. I have the Natural Matte, which I love. It's like the most natural palette ever. I also have some like Huda Beauty, more Too Faced, another Huda Beauty, and then just like random palettes over here. This one's from the Estee Lauder. So this drawer here is where I keep all my like eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, pencil liners, you name it, and then some cream liners over here. And then on this side, I just have some of the Laura Mercier foundation primers. They have like a little bit of tint to them, and I also have this concealer. So this drawer here has single shadows, which I don't really use as much, but there's colors that I really like to combine with my palettes. So I have like different brands, Milani, really love Milani. And I have some MAC ones, the Makeup Geek. These are actually new, I never tried them. And then I have this face palette here, which I love. It's from Pixie Beauty. As you can see, I already hit pan on this one. This is also another great one. And I have this like Laura Mercier palette and Kevyn Aucoin. So I just have like random palettes, and then I also have these like cream eyeshadows. So this side over here has some like face palettes and face powders. I have these like beautiful palettes from Kevyn Aucoin. They're like highlighter and bronzer together, which are beautiful. I also have this one from Too Faced, Sweet Peach. I have this one that's called the Kevyn Aucoin Glass, and it just gives you like the most beautiful highlight in the skin ever. Here I have some like extra brushes for my cleansers, and then I have these that are my favorite. These are the Lancome, and they're called the Absolute Powder. They give you like the most beautiful finish on the skin. So this drawer over here is my favorite. Look how like organized this is. So these organizers are from a brand that's called Polar Whale. They sell all kinds of organizers, and they fit the IKEA drawers, and they are made out of foam. They're very durable, they're waterproof, and you can like literally organize everything. So here I have some like cheek tints. You can also use them as lip glosses. I have some random lip glosses. Over here I have my Scentbird perfumes and my Luxe SB perfumes. And then over here I keep like all my blushes. I don't really own that many blushes, so I just keep them here. I have like Too Faced. I also have Milani and MAC. Oh no, Ofra. I thought it was a MAC. It looks like a MAC. And then on this side here I have some like lip scrubs, lip balms, and some extra nail polishes. I also have this face mist from MAC, and I have this beautiful lipstick. This one here is from Christian Louboutin or Louboutin. This next drawer here is my foundations, my highlighters and bronzers, and it is also in one of these organizers from Polar Whale. So all this here is my highlighters. I am like obsessed with highlighters. I have this one from Stila, a couple from Pixie Beauty. These are like so beautiful. I love these highlighters. I also have some from Ofra. These are Ofra. I have Too Faced Candlelight. I have a MAC. Another Pixie. This one here is so pretty. It's from Aspen Novard. It's such a beautiful highlighter. And I have a NARS one. And then I have some Hourglass highlighters that I really love. And then on this side here, I have these new face mists that Derma E sent me. I am like obsessed with these, you guys. They are so good for your skin and they are very natural. They have like a lot of good things to them. I also have my Clarins sunscreen. I have the Marc Jacobs coconut highlighter, which I like to mix with my foundation. That's why I leave it here. And then I also have this like milk makeup sticks. I have highlighters. These are all highlighters. And then on this side here, I have this primer from YSL Beauty, Yves Saint Laurent. And then I have this one here. It's called the Flawless Skin from Laura Mercier. It's like a serum. It's like an oily serum, and it's so good for like dry skin. So I currently only have 3 foundations that I'm using. I have this one from MAC, and I love this foundation. I'm also using this one from L'Oreal's The True Match, and this one I just got. It's from Smashbox. It's just a little bit drying for my skin at the moment, but I'm sure I'll use that for like the summertime. On this side I have some bronzers. I have Kevyn Aucoin, Stila, Givenchy. I also have Too Faced, more Too Faced. This one here from MAC. Look how pretty the packaging is. And I have Anastasia Ambresi. This is actually a highlighter, but since there is no more space for my highlighters, I had to put it over here. So the last drawer here has all my skincare items, and this is where I keep like my serums, my facial masks, and my face mist. So here I have this one here from Bliss Beauty. It's called the Rose Gold Rescue. It's great for like dry skin. I have some creams from Pixie, some serums from Ole Henriksen, some Pixie Beauty over here, more Pixie stuff. I have a lot of Pixie Beauty. I love their brand. I have this one from Mary Kay. And then I also have the Eve Lom cleanser. You guys, this is like the best thing ever. It just doesn't smell like the best. I'm not a huge fan of the scent, but it definitely does work. I also have this like face mask over here. It's called Gleaming. It's like amazing. It has turmeric and it's so good for your skin. I have some more masks from Bliss. I have Saturday Skin. So this last drawer here, it just has like random stuff, so I'm not even gonna show you guys. It just has like an extra camera that I have, and then just stuff that I don't really use. So yeah, that's what I have. And then over here I have some more Pixie skincare that I just recently got, so I'll be doing a video on that soon. So I wanted to show you guys very quickly this little table here, since it does have a couple of beauty items. I have this adorable tray that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and this is where I put some of my favorite perfumes. I have a few of them that I really love. These are my most newest perfumes. They are from the brand Good Chemistry, and they smell so beautiful, very fresh. I really enjoy this one. This one's called the Pink Palm. And Octoly and Good Chemistry sent these out to me so that I could try out and review for you guys, but really love their scents. They're just like very clean. They're also natural, so they're good for you. There's the other one here that's called Solar Jasmine. It smells really pretty. Sugar Berry. My daughter loves this one. As you can see, she's already used some of it. And then Sea Salt Gardenia. I love this one. This one like reminds me of the beach. It's like the perfect scent for going out. And then I have this one here, Honey from Marc Jacobs. This is like the 4th perfume that I've gotten. I use this a lot. It's my favorite. And then I got this like tiny little perfume as a sample, and it's so cute. It's the flower, no, not flower, it's called the Bomb Bomb, I believe, but from Victor and Rolf, but it's so cute. So that was it, you guys, for my vanity and makeup collection video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.